Hi, my name is Miss Best. I created this narrated presentation to show you how to create your own narrated presentation. Note, you will not be filming yourself, you are only recording your voice as a narrator. Let's begin. Materials you'll need: a headset with a microphone, some presentation software such as Google Slides, PowerPoint, or Apple Keynote, a screen video recorder application, a snipping tool, some creativity, some confidence, about 2 hours of your time. You may be slow at first, but you'll get faster as you gain more experience. Aim to keep your video between 3 and 5 minutes. Viewers tend to stop watching around the 5-minute point. There are 4 easy steps to creating a great narrated presentation. Note, steps 1 and 2 are interchangeable depending on your personal preference. Step 1 or 2. Write a script. A script will help you stay focused and will reduce the number of re-recordings you need to complete. The point of a script is to make your presentation sound natural and confident. To do this, add a few more details in your script than what is included in your presentation. While viewers are reading the screen, they're also getting additional information from you. Remember to practice saying your script out loud a few times before you record. Time yourself during practice to see if you're within your timeline. Step 2 or 1. Create a visually appealing slideshow. Use a presentation application you're comfortable with. I created this using PowerPoint, which I then uploaded to my Google Drive as a Google slideshow. You can use images, clip art, bullet point text, charts, graphs, statistics, web links, anything goes, and really should present your topic. Remember to include a works cited page at the end to give credit to any board material, including images. You could record some low music in the background, but make sure the music does not drown out your voice. Also remember to include a title slide that gives your topic your name and the names of your group members, if there are any. You may use slide transitions or animations for additional effect, but you don't have to. Step 3. Record your voiceover. Use a screen video recorder application such as Screencastify or Screencast-O-Matic to easily make your recording. There are many others. Just do a Google search for free screen recorders. When recording, speak clearly and use a normal pace and tone. Using a few deliberate pauses will keep your audience engaged. Step 4. Export and download your presentation. When you're finished, save your recording and export your presentation to your YouTube channel. This makes it easy to share a link with your teacher and your friends. You can also embed your YouTube video in any document. Download your video as an MP4 file. This way you can share it and email it to your teachers and friends. These features are part of the screen recorder application. Finally, remember to carefully review your assignment requirements and complete all necessary components. Ask for assistance if needed. Well, that's all, folks. Thanks for listening and good luck with your assignment.